there's an Indian. Yeah, I saw them. Let us try a conversation. Okay. ஐயா, தோரைக்கெல்லாம் வராங்கய்யா. ஆமாமா, பயமா இருக்கு. எதுக்குங்க ஐயா பயப்படுறீங்க? சரி. How do you do? Do. What's this? வாத்திலிங்க கோழி. They don't know English, I think so. Oh yeah. நல்லா சொன்னீங்க. சரி. Where are you going? வேற யாரும் இல்லைங்க, நம்மளோட தானுங்க. Please repeat. Yeah, நம்மளை பத்தி பெருமையா பேசுறாங்க ஐயா. ஆமாமா. சட்டை கட்ட முடியாதுங்க. கட்டாதுன்னு ஓடுறீங்க. They can't understand our language. Yeah, come, it's just a waste of time. நம்ம சொன்னதை உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருச்சுங்க ஐயா. ஆமாமா. Thank you. நன்றி.
Thank you, everyone. You have given all the 15 years to a new world of happiness and peace to a divine nation. Makes of music. It's a flute, a symbol of freedom and liberation, allowing us to express ourselves without boundaries. Here comes Arya of Relay to play flute instrument. Two things which have seen every action skill. Parents are the ultimate role model for children. No other person or outside force has a greater influence on a child than a parent. Yes, the theme of grade 4 is parental care. Here comes Danya of grade 4 to deliver Tamil Padri on the topic parental care. Thank you to the and auspicious building of spiritual world to the program. Which is very famous in Hawaii. The dance is accompanied by a song or chant which tells stories and traditions embedded in the Hawaiian culture. Now we have Ania Fatima to embellish the stage with the moments of hula dance. showcase of the innermost feelings, and at the same time, depicts the cultural aspects of the civilization. It always adds more color and lively emotion. Now, great students are ready to blossom on stage to present their musical dance with fascinating performance.
நகையாசிரியர் உண்பதின் பேர்கள் நடுவே மருந்தன வேண்டாமாம் யாக்கைக்கு அருந்திது அச்சல் போற்றும் என்று வள்ளுவரின் வாய்மொழியை நடனத்தின் வழியாக நினைவுபடுத்த வருகின்றன என் பள்ளியின் 5ஆம் வகுப்பு சகோதரர். They can't understand our language. Yeah, come, it's just a waste of time. நம்ம சொன்னது உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருச்சுங்க ஐயா. ஆமாமா. Thank you. நன்றி.
And not on appearance. Here comes students of grade 1 to enact mind of the topic wildlife conservation. Parents and my dear friends, this annual function is a platform for us to showcase the extraordinary talent, creativity and hard work of our students. It is a momentous occasion where we have come together to appreciate their dedication and applaud their accomplishments. On this blessed day, Yashika and myself are happy to host this annual program.